special pass.
Yes, D.
Dang, what?
His forehead is declined.
God damn! Huh?
I don't like it.
I still love you.
No, I'm not trying to be rude or something, but nigga forehead. That nigga's forehead is no, but his forehead is so sharp, like it's your no, bruh. Never, man's forehead is.
No, cook.
Cook, my brother.
Ah, dick. What the fuck? What happened? Cook. Ah, dick. Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Shabay Sai saying I'm back here with.
Kiki Lizette.
Yes, sir. You?
K carrier underscore Sidley.
God damn, you?
Last for Elkish.
Yeah?
Official Shay Shay. I think I said
What's your name?
Lils underscore the problem.
God, the problem.
I'm not the problem.
God, she's the problem. All I'm saying, she's a problem. What's your name, baby girl?
Pops 148.
Pops. Baby girl is Pops on. Pops on what?
140.
God damn. What's your name, baby girl?
7 years old.
God damn. Hey, yo, what we doing today? We're doing like a young special pass. Listen, come back. Let's come back. We're doing like a young special pass, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna ask y'all ladies and niggas, you know what I'm saying? This
Yeah.
nigga is out there. But I'm gonna ask y'all about niggas. Is that cool?
No.
No Diddy.
No Diddy.
Diddy's cool though, it's not like it's
No.
No. He not
Okay,
cool.
valid. Telek, special pass.
Smash.
Smash Telek. Look at her.
Okay.
Dog, is it real?
Guys, so I
Yeah. So wait, Oral State won it.
So how do you feel like an oral state, dog?
I would love that.
100. Hey.
God damn.
Tell it for days, tell it every day.
God damn. Alright, bet Telek special pass.
Pass. I'd smash him. No, he's mine.
What?
He's mine. He claimed me.
I'm amused.
No, I'd smash him.
Why?
No reason, but
What do you like about Telek?
Rosie.
You guys like Oral, so you like the juice. They like the juice.
I love me some orange juice.
God damn. So you like juice also?
Yeah, thing is that I feel like I would like to get to know him more.
God damn.
Yeah.
Alright. Telek special pass. God damn, what?
Rebecca do some.
Look at these ones. Telek has got the hands wallet, bruh.
He's got their wallet.
Telek has got your wallet. It's because of the auras.
They love stink.
Yeah, guys, thank you.
They love stink
Let me tell you
hydration.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
God damn.
guys, remember that in your like your growing up stage, you know that Oros was never left in that trolley.
Type shit, yes, sir.
So you want the auras? Alright, man. Telek, special pass?
pass.
Why?
No reason.
God damn.
Pass. These ones are racist. Pass, because if all the hands is on him, then why must I be on him?
So hey, listen. So you want your own nigga? You want your own nigga?
What's
You want-
your own?
Yeah, like if all the house is on
They
him.
wanna do it too, sir.
You gotta shut base for Lily.
That's who's Lily.
It's her.
I don't know what they're talking about. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen. For the niggas.
Don't cook.
So for the niggas.
Don't cook.
Sima, special pass. Sima, we started here, niggas. Sima, what goes to Sima? Yeah.
They're gonna make this.
God damn, Sima,
They're gonna
special
make
pass.
us scared.
Why, bro?
Nah, she ain't doing it for me.
Why is she not hot?
Nah.
What do you rate her out of 10? Niggas is hotness, you know what I'm saying?
See my special pass.
Sima?
Yes.
Nah, there's no way.
There's no way we're supposed to.
She ain't got For me, she ain't.
Okay, I'll tell you.
And it's for me.
Respectfully.
And it's for me. Respectfully. You know what I'm saying? Nah.
Okay.
Bruce, special pass.
Okay, let me say this. If Bruce Chanyanga.
It's Kiki Chanyanga. I'm gonna keep the bottle.
Let me cook.
Yes, sir.
Let her cook.
Bruce is
Beetroot.
Bruce is fine.
Yeah.
But like, if Bruce wasn't 35,
But for real though, would you?
I'll smash.
What do you think about it? I don't know.
Nigga's too real.
What do you mean?
Way too hard.
What do you mean real?
He's real. Like he's not fake. But
Like the other people are not real?
I ain't gonna talk
She's
shit.
not even that.
I ain't gonna talk shit.
Nah, Bruce, hey, she's your wife.
Shout out to Bruce, bro.
She's your wife. She drinks Oros.
No,
she
not
drinks
wife.
Oros and she sits on your lap. I'm just saying. Alright, Bruce, smash your best.
Oh, Ross.
You.
Pes, why?
I feel like, okay, Bruce is genuine, he's very brutal,
Yeah.
and I respect him a lot.
Exactly.
What do you mean you do so?
Respectfully, pie.
God damn. Why?
He's so hungry.
Like,
Why is it?
He wants to try.
Now we'll come back.
No, thing is, Bruce wants Nyash. And I got Nyash for days.
and I'm not
Can
a
we see-
baddie,
wait,
but he
can we
wants
get
a
a 360?
baddie.
A 360.
Hey.
Ain't no 360.
Come on, man.
Hey, 360.
Let her cook. Let her cook.
360.
Let her cook. Let her cook.
360.
Let her cook.
Because they get for days.
God dang. That's crazy. Bruce, special best.
Yes, indeed.
Dang, what?
His forehead is declined.
God dang.
I don't like it. I don't
I still love you.
like it, Keisha. No. I'm not trying to be rude or something, but that nigga's forehead is no, but his forehead is so sharp, like it's your no, bruh. Never, man's forehead is I get it, please. But when you say that, remember that people are creating God's image, baby.
Like, that's our future. That's our
Ah, Bruce,
future.
hey, at the back. Hey, come on, what are you
Future
doing?
could never be a future like
And
Bruce.
Bruce forehead is like the star.
Bruce.
It shines way too hard.
No.
Listen,
No,
ahead of time.
no.
Yes, he dreams in movies. He dreams in movies.
Listen.
Bruce
Bruce
dreams in
is
movies.
created in God's image. As much as you are creating God's image, Bruce is also created.
You like Bruce.
He's beautiful.
You like
I still love you.
Look at us now.
Kiki Chanya.
That's this smile right
My
there.
sister. My sister. We brutal. The future is here on Bruce.
Yes.
it's there.
The future's bright.
This is where hell takes.
He doesn't hold on to
It's
it.
not that serious.
Hey, come back. Bruce, special best. Why?
It's not my type.
God dang.
God,
I told you he's racist. I'm not. No, listen. Hear me out. Move on.
Yeah.
I'm not. No, it's not my type.
Are you lying?
Are you lying?
God dang.
Not my type. Finishing class. The conversation is.
You just don't like him.
Yeah,
You hate the shit out of him.
Can we wait? Can we not body shame and discriminate other people?
Yeah.
That's why
But
I'm
you did
not.
say he's
It's
real.
not nice at all, and it's gonna cause
Yeah,
drama.
that's why I'm passing Bruce.
Yeah,
Because he's
just
body
pass
shaming.
and say he's not my type. That's it. Don't say his forehead, his what.
Mm.
No.
Smash the pass, Bruce.
Fast because he's body shaming. That made that went before Kiki. Why do we have to say that about her?
It's true. That's the yash that the boy wants.
But
Oh, she said she ain't got no yash, eh?
But she's pretty.
But she doesn't have any yash in the future.
It's true, but he didn't have to say.
You gotta be a yash warrior.
Okay,
That's
but
what
he
I'm saying.
didn't have to say it on a public platform. Imagine how she felt about it. How did she feel about it? There was no need for ironing.
Yeah. True. You fighting for somebody who doesn't care about
we don't
body
care.
shame.
We don't.
God
They're
damn.
not like us.
God
They're
damn.
not like us.
Hey, come
Why you trying like a bitch and you tired?
Who's a minor?
You are mine.
You mad?
Bruce,
Kiki.
he's 35.
That nigga got a child.
I'm not gonna
She
say.
knows everything, yes?
I'm not
He got
gonna
a
say
child.
But Bruce is not 35.
Jens, you know Sia? Yes.
This Wi-Fi.
Sia, special pass.
He's choking.
She's choking on the wood.
That's crazy. Nah. Pause
Sia,
it.
what is the smash? What?
Peachy
Rate
sprinkles.
her, she's a 10. God
10
damn, I don't
out of
know why. I was about to say rate her out of 10. One makes her a 10.
Everything.
The piercing.
Everything, bro.
Cool,
You?
boy, cool.
Smash or pass? Sia?
Smash.
God damn.
Yeah, nice.
10 out of Yeah, she a 10.
She's a 10 out of 10.
She a 10.
Minus not.
Ah,
Damn, nah.
You only if not
See her for me?
11.
See her for me is nah.
Say
See her,
smash.
nah, yeah.
Smash.
This is where Arjun comes in. He's gonna move.
Listen,
One, two, three.
Arjun can move, who's not me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, say something there. I'm not talking to you.
Type shit.
Hey, let's move on. Let's move
Ain't
on.
no Arjun.
Let's
Ain't no Arjun. I'm cooking.
You fighting for Bruce.
Yeah.
She is your.
I'm Bruce Nation.
I still love you.
He's handcuffed you,
Hey,
Bruce Nation. God damn. Wait. Last one. Hey. Headline Nation.
Airline receiving
Come
nation.
back. Last one for the ladies. Sunabili, special pass.
Wow, baby.
Pass. That nigga said I'm 12 pass.
You are. Next.
What?
Listen.
You are gonna speak
All I'm
yourself,
saying-
my bro.
I'm gonna kick your
But you look.
Okay, I don't wanna lie,
No,
man.
the thing is you're cute. You got a cute
Listen,
face.
I don't wanna lie.
Ain't nobody
Yeah.
else.
I may look young.
Uh-huh.
I may be short.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean judge me by looks.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say I'm gonna smash him, but he a pass.
But why would you smash him? What makes him?
He's a
Hey.
check, so I mean,
I mean,
His closer. You like closer niggas?
I wouldn't say like this, but he's a smash.
He's the one.
For the tribe,
For the tribe.
of course.
What about Zulu niggas? Come on.
Pass.
God damn.
Yo.
So Nabili, special pass. God damn, what?
I have no reason. I respect him a lot, but I have no reason. Just pass.
God.
Respectfully.
Just pass. So Nabili, special pass. Pass, what?
That's a bar.
So Nabili, special pass. Why? Why?
It's not my type.
What's the type?
So when
Listen, hey, come back. Listen, Jaden, special pass. I don't know who's a colored nigga. I'm trying to like find somebody.
Double get.
It's Domingos. Say
Domingos.
Domingos. Shout out to you.
Domingos is the last one. We're gonna do
Okay, I
Domingos.
was doing the last one.
So, no smash.
Guys, nobody can name me.
So Nabili, special pass.
You see, he's a streamer, and because you're a streamer, everyone knows him. That was a pass. He probably has a soundboard with different types of weird effects, but anyway.
Yeah. Hey, Poison. Jacobs, special pass.
Jacobs.
Yeah.
Jacobs ki muthu wa shasha ole okay vicious ole.
Yeah. Libala ukuthi muthu wasakhe.
Smash.
Special pass. One more
Smash.
Kimziba maka kimziba.
Yes. She's another one.
Another one. Another one.
Yeah. Pass. Jacobs, special pass.
Another one.
She got all the features like
She got it all.
She ain't doing it for you.
Oh, family.
Feels like a 5.
She's a five.
Feels like a 5. Feels like a 5.
Outrageous.
She's got a nice body, nice face.
Says who?
God damn! He's hard. So Sia's doing better than her.
Yeah.
God damn!
Damn.
This is hard.
That's a
Y'all niggas is hardest. Hey, last one.
He's only saying you are heartless because he agrees
Jacobs.
that she's fine.
Yeah. I'm a Zulu man. I love meat.
Out of 10.
I love overload any day.
I'm
9 out of
sorry.
10.
I love
He's saying because he's
but
dick riding. You are
What do you mean by that?
dick riding.
What?
No.
Out of 10, Jacobs. Out of 10, Jacobs.
Out of 10? 9.
Cut that part out. Okay.
No.
She want me. She want me.
We are cutting that part out. You know we don't do it. Domingos, special pass.
Ik wil eat.
I like colored niggas.
Yes.
So I'ma say smash.
Every day, all day.
No, listen. I'ma smash every day,
All day.
any day, all day. Dango.
God damn. What's y'all niggas gonna say about that?
You don't care? It's Igbo. Yawasha.
What does that mean?
It means
Every nigga is a
every
smash.
day is a smash.
Oh, they beat special.
Dango.
That's fine. too, man. Get.
Okay.
I smashed
Domingos,
every
special
day.
pass.
Nah.
Pass respectfully.
What?
No reason.
Oh, god damn. Domingos, special pass?
Smash.
Why? Colored. They reasons you did say.
Domingos is colored. Domingos is colored.
They are racist.
Yes, now it doesn't mean I'm racist.
Okay.
It's just that I'm a different type of niggas. You can't assume that I'm racist just because I like
Why
a colored
do
nigga.
you like more colored niggas than black niggas?
Yeah.
You are racist. Next.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
What? Domingos special best. Why?
This is my type.
Domingos is cute.
Got it.
4 days.
I want you to know that he's way black. I want you to
You don't know Domingos, I smash.
Domingos dog. Breathe.
She be there open arms and open legs.
Last one. Leadership. Dance.
No.
Domingos.
Wait.
First of all, who is that guy? Like, who is he?
Some
Wait.
other comedian looking at this nigga.
Wait.
Okay, so you are currently looking at a picture of what's his name?
Domingos.
Domingos.
Apparently.
Domingos.
Yeah. You don't know Domingos?
I know Domingos.
I'm gonna show
I
you.
know
I'm gonna show you.
Domingos.
Wait.
Domingos.
Hey, wait, this nigga.
Woo!
That's my man.
God
What the fuck?
Pass. Where's my ring?
I'd smash.
He's
He's cute, man. He's cute.
You remind me of my ex. Pass.
Whoa, I take my words back. He
Yeah.
look like he's everywhere.
God
He
damn.
look like he's everywhere. I take my words back.
She cute though.
No, what up, nigga? What?
looks like a hand.
You look like a
Come back. We're looking at Domingos right now.
Again.
They just said a nigga looks like a heart.
He's
They just said
everywhere.
that.
That nigga's everywhere.
That's a bar.
Personally, I say you guys are fucking racist.
No.
Listen, it's not even about.
Why is his hair everywhere?
Listen, you're judging by looks. That's the thing, bro.
That's the thing. You
Wait.
have to judge by looks.
You don't judge by looks, you judge by actions, baby.
Look at Omar.
Okay, wait. Can I cook? Okay, listen. Wait, hold on.
Let her cook.
Okay, listen, man.
Yeah.
I take my words back because this nigga look like he's everywhere.
God damn.
Respectfully, but like he's just everywhere. And you can see he's everywhere.
How do you know?
You don't know the nigga.
You don't know the nigga. I can see.
They fighting. They're fighting for Domingos.
I don't
They're
want
fighting
it.
for your brother.
Wait.
Wait. Domingos, special prize.
I said pass because he reminds me of my ex. And I'm like, pass.
Let's start
He's the
there.
hurtful type, huh?
What ex, my sister?
God damn, what's the name?
We don't need a guy. We don't gotta know
Spill the
that.
beans.
We don't gotta know
Do
that.
it.
No.
Gang exes.
She like what?
Let's move on, boys.
She got
I
sex.
have 10 exes.
Gang.
No, I have like 3 exes. Why you so
You got gang ex. Let her cook.
Where your shoe doesn't fit, my sister. It's not even humble enough. I'm being humble. I love you, baby. But don't speak shit about people you don't know.
enough, but it reminds me of my ex and I'm passing.
Nah.
God damn.
Just
What is it?
because he's a color, I'm not smashing him. Just because he's a color, I'm not smashing him. I'm passing.
They are racist. They are racist.
Just because he's a color,
You.
I'm smashing him.
Got you. Yes, so, hey, shh. Niggas, smash or pass, Yanda Woods.
Yanda Woods. Let me search her quickly. Search Yanda
You don't know who
Woods.
that is.
You don't know Yanda Woods? Let's session. Let's session.
Hey.
You can't speak for him.
Listen.
No, I want to see.
She got the bag.
You wanna see? She wanna see?
Yes.
We don't follow people for the bag. We follow your heart, baby.
They follow the bag.
No. They follow the bag.
Here's Yanda Woods.
Yeah. Yanda Woods. Hey. This Yanda Woods. Gents, come back.
Is she short?
Is she
Yeah,
short?
she is. Okay,
Let's cook.
That's
Let's cook. Bro.
Me, I'm
That's
smashing
shit.
him.
Yeah.
I'm smashing
And the face.
Even
Let's
if
cook.
I'm not a
Let me
chick,
cook.
I'm not a guy.
Cook. Guys, listen. Yanda Woods, special prize.
Boys in. She a 9.5.
God damn.
Faith.
Why?
Faith.
Cook.
She got the face cut.
Ooh.
Use.
Never decline.
You.
Make her.
God damn.
Never decline.
Yeah.
Boys in proper slender, never decline.
Yeah.
God damn. Face cut, body cut, every cut.
Never decline.
God damn.
I still love you.
Amen.
Yeah, the old special bias you saw her. That's the other she was dating Uncle Vinny. Talk to me.
Oh, Uncle Vinny.
Yeah.
Hey, pass. Hey,
Uncle Vinny.
Vinny.
Which is scrawny ass. What's that? What she say?
That's your baby.
She got it.
She got it.
And the face.
And the face.
And the money.
And the money.
And the personality.
If you,
She's not that
Dance.
oh, listen.
Yo.
She's not what?
Wait,
She's not
but
that cute.
She's what?
She's alright.
She's-
But to
yeah.
me,
out of 10.
She's what?
I'll tell her give her a 5.
God damn! That nigga don't have eyes, nigga. Fix that nigga's eyes. Fix that nigga's eyes. Last one for the ladies.
Okay, special pass here, dudes.
Come on, bro. She's a 9.
She's a nice.
Bro.
She's not.
That's the
you
reason.
just
She's a 5.
Yeah?
you just into everything. It's not shit.
Yeah. Listen, you want some I'm a cat warrior.
Yo.
Of course, so you don't care.
Let's get into it.
Alright, babe, come here. Gents, last one. Leadership.
Monica.
Forex. Listen, hey, where you going? Come back.
Come back.
Okay, Forex nigga, fraud nigga, I'm just kidding. This scam nigga, hey.
Woo! Is it that short one?
Smash pass.
Is that short one?
For the sake of girl code, nah, I'm a pass. Yeah.
What you mean? There's somebody that wants it.
Yeah, my friend
Oh.
Cairo. Shout out to Cairo.
Okay.
Shout out to Cairo.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
respectfully.
Goddamn.
I mean, he's a fine nigga, right?
I won't say
I'm
that.
gonna rate him a 9.
Mm.
You know why?
Yeah.
-1 for the friendship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What makes up the
minus
9?
another why.
Tell me what makes up the 9.
He's cute.
Oh no, that also the cute.
Actually, it makes him an 8 because I don't like short niggas.
Why?
You short.
I'm short. I can't be short and you short
We
too.
shot together.
The children is getting
no.
Wow.
You wanna
Short kings, lives matter.
You wanna make what?
No, we don't wanna make stuff. We wanna make people.
You want to
They wanna be our highs.
No, I ain't making no midget. So no.
You're honest. She honest.
Yeah, I'm very honest. I don't want to. I'm a very honest person, and I'm gonna say no to
'Cause
the
of the
shorts, and I'm gonna say no also to my friendship. So it's 8. I'm
Yeah.
gonna rate you 8. I love you though.
There's always
Shout out to your content. Shout out to whatever you do.
Hey, yo, Jaden.
preference is preference.
Yeah.
When it's
Yo.
almost over.
Special pass leadership.
Definitely smash, baby, every day, all
Why?
day, every second, every hour,
Why?
every month,
Why?
every shit. That
Why?
leadership, he's everything I need in a man.
What's everything?
Okay, I won't say everything as such because he once mentioned that he doesn't have time. So I think another thing would be a minus point for
No.
time.
What's
Another
everything?
thing,
Name.
He's independent. He's independent
Yeah.
like for her. She likes. I wouldn't say luxurious lives, but
Yeah,
she likes.
genuinely city.
Yeah, she likes beautiful things. Like
She likes things.
no beautiful things. Mine
Like,
like, highlight emphasis on the word beautiful.
I think another thing represents me. I know for a fact that I'm a baby hand, so wherever I go, represent me.
And then
Yeah.
more light skin. I mean,
Does that matter though?
Yeah.
it does a lot. Hey, it does.
Some people like.
Guys,
that's
I
it's
can't
not
be.
my taste.
I can't be going with the baboon in a mall.
God dang. So you date for personality? Yeah, you date for looks.
Not looks, but they don't look like a baboon.
God dang.
You can't be walking in the mall with someone that looks like shit. Don't look like you got shit on your shirt. Look proper, bro. So when we walk together, we look both clean. Man, shit, clean.
Should I mention?
I'm happy.
But anyways, leadership, respectfully, I love you a lot. And I would smash every day, all day, why or why.
That's not respectful
Why?
at all.
Why?
Do you know leadership?
Why?
You know leadership?
Why?
Can you show her?
Yes.
This
He's
thing.
here.
He's here.
Forget
This
the
nigga with
cars.
the brown.
Personality, look at the thing is looks wise. Forget the cars and everything.
Okay, smash.
Why?
Because he looks like he has potential.
Okay.
Potential for what?
Like his features itself.
She's already old, my
But
sister. So
the only thing, the only thing that puts me off
Yeah.
is the hair. Like,
The hair,
no,
ne?
that's what I mean.
The hair.
Niggas can change their hairstyles, man.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Domingo said leadership, they fighting for y'all. They want y'all.
No. At this point, it's not even about girl code. Like, niggas can change their hairstyles, and depending on what you like, and if he fucks with you, you gon' have to fuck with his hairstyle. Like, period.
What you say?
No, understandable. I'm just saying from my opinion, yeah, it's a smash, but just only thing that puts me off is the head.
Hey, let's move. Smash or pass? Let's see.
But it's a pass.
Why?
Not my type.
And we're done cooking. I'm out here.
He's not your nigga. He's not just a cup of tea. He's not Domingos. He's not Domingos. God damn. Nah. Hey, where the niggas is at? Boys, let's cook. Let's my boy. Let's cook. Let's cook. Oh, hey. Leadership. Smash or pass?
For the next generation of South Africa, I'm thinking for them, so pass.
How?
Because you see, the next generation, I can't be smashing people's fathers.
Whose father? Whose father?
This girl go
God.
Let's hide and close the video because people are leaving.
Yeah. Nah, what I do the niggas? I want the niggas. Niggas! Smash and pass. All day. Every day.
All day.
20 minutes in the field, eh?
God damn. What makes her smash?
Wait, who does smash?
She got yeah. She got lust. She got singing talent.
You don't want to know, eh?
She got everything. She got sex tapes. Smash or pass?
Pass, thank you.
God damn it.
No BBL.
God damn. They
Nah,
want
never mind the sex tape.
Special pass,
Never mind the sex tape.
No.
Never.
No.
Never.
No.
No BBL.
No.
No BBL.
No, we ain't doing it.
No BBL.
No BBL.
No BBL.
Never mind the tape, eh? But she a 10.
No BBL.
What are we talking about?
BBL.
Say bougie.
Say bougie.
They're the niggas though.
No BBL.
Would you smash or pass sign bougie?
Never mind the sex tape.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Never mind the sex
Sign
tape.
bougie.
Yeah.
Never mind the sex tape.
Okay, I'm gonna never mind the sex tape. Never mind people talking about her about not DJing properly.
Okay.
And never mind what she did to Babalo.
God damn.
BBL. BBL.
Hey, shit, come.
Never mind the BBL, never mind the singing challenge, never mind.
Let her be just someone that's like, okay,
Random.
Shab, I met you
Just
this
met.
trip.
Pass.
I'm no pass.
Simple. Simple.
No!
Simple.
What they trying to say is that, cuckoo.
Hey, listen. Welcome back to the end of the video, man. If you liked it,
This is a banger.
That's
No
a
matter
banger.
what you say, this
It's
is a banger.
baby.
And
Let's
don't
go.
forget what? Okay, shout out to all these people here.
God dang.
I believe we had a great night. It's my birthday.
God dang.
Yeah, and yeah, listen.
Hey, happy birthday. Can we sing happy birthday, can we?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kiki. Happy birthday to you.
Una, two. I can speak.
Let's not even get there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment,
Tell him.
share the video with
Tell
your
him.
friends.
God
Don't
damn.
forget to share with your boyfriend.
God damn.
Because you're chilling with him, I
With your
know.
sight, nigga.
And yeah, if you're not subscribing, baby,